Okay, for this project we'll be using red, blue, yellow, the three primary colors. We'll never be using black. You'll also need a little bit of white. And always try to squeeze from the back of the tube and not necessarily from the middle of the tube. Now we've already prepared a canvas for this project, creating a gradient. See the tutorial for that. And what we'll start off doing is simply draw a circle somewhere on your canvas. Then draw a triangle on top. Super simple, really easy to just get started. Create a horizon. Once you draw your horizon line, you can then choose a direction in which the light is going to come, then create a shadow. The darkest area would be where the actual shadow meets the object. Just roughly lay this in. Now we're going to start working on the highlights. Using broad, choppy strokes, we're going to add in our highlighted color. Then grab our medium color, start to lay that in. I'm thinking in the terms of warm, cool, medium tones. Then start to add in your shadowy colors using the coolest color you have on the palette. Now using broad, choppy brushstrokes to kind of work the color in. Continue using a mix between warm and cool colors, using choppy brushstrokes to kind of shape the pear and add in your shadow, your mediums, and your highlights. Now when you start to work in the background, just grab a little bit of white and some color. Just kind of create the sense of lighting. So it would be a little bit lighter on the left side because of the light, a little bit darker on the right side because of the darker area, the shadow. Then you could start to work in a little bit more white for your highlights. Now, what makes a highlight pop? You have to also consider adding in a darker color next to that highlight. So in this case, I'm taking a little bit of red, a little bit of blue, and adding that to the background to set the background further back and to make the highlight on the pear pop. On the opposite side, in order to make the shadow appear darker or further back, I would add in a lighter color. So it's always this push and pull of light and dark, warm and cool, background, foreground, And if you notice, I'm kind of popping around, moving around the entire canvas, not just staying in one place, I'm moving all around. Now what you'll also notice starts to happen is by using all the primary colors, you create these complementary color mixes. So you start to mix up an orange and the complementary color being blue will create these kind of nice neutrals, these browns, and in some cases grays, to really create kind of a natural look. And now for the final touches, add in a stem, some quick highlights, maybe a reflective highlight on the bottom to again separate it from the shadow and just add a little more shape to the pear. Super simple, very easy, very loose type of pear. Okay, anyone can do this.